Hello, great minds. Welcome. Today, I'll be talking about a very essential practice for every woman. Recently, on one of Tess's Delight subgroup, we had a symposium that dwelled on the intricacies of breast cancer, which necessitated the creation of this video. We'll be talking about how to perform as well as what to expect from a self-breast exam, or what others call breast self-examination. I am Dr. Zainab Olayode. Let's get started. To start with, what is breast self-exam? It's a simple and painless procedure which can be done in the comfort of your home. You will want to perform it once in a month. Ideally, a few days, usually 2 to 3 days after your menstruation, or what we call period, because your breast will be less tender. So, what can you expect during the self-breast exam? Here are 3 easy steps to guide you through the process. Step 1. Begin by visually inspecting your breast in front of a mirror. Look for any changes in size, shape, or contour. Check for any skin dimpling or redness. Don't forget to examine the nipples and the areolas as well. It's preferred to do this either standing or while sitting. Now, step 2. At this point, you'll be touching your breast via palpation. Yes, this part is the tactile part where you're going to lie down on your back using your fingertips to gently feel your breast in a circular motion, working your way through from the outer edges up onto the nipples. Yes, don't worry if you notice some lumps, as breasts can have natural tissue variations. Now this brings us to the final step, and that is examining your breast while standing or sitting. This time you use the flat part of your fingers to apply light pressure in the same circular motion as you did earlier. Now, it is essential to cover the entire breast and surrounding areas involving your underarm. Yes, the armpit. Here, you're looking out for swelling or lymph nodes or any bulge whatsoever. Remember, if you find any persistent changes, such as lumps, skin changes, or discharge from the nipple, don't panic. Yes, don't fret. Most of the time, it could just be changes as a result of benign causes. However, it is essential, yes, very germane, that you contact your physician or go to the nearest hospital close to you for proper evaluation. That's it, guys. That's it, great mind. Performing a self-breast exam regularly empowers you to take control of your breast health and promotes early detection if any concerns arise. So, right now, yes, I said right now, go mark it on your calendar that after your period, 2 or 3 days after, you're going to perform a self-breast exam on yourself. If you find this video very useful, do well to like, subscribe, and give a comment below of what stood out for you or what you expect us to do next. Your health is your priority. Stay informed, stay fit. Till I come on your screen again, a healthy you is the goal.